Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to unlock and collect new shield skins in Monopoly Go. Shields protect your landmarks during attacks, and having unique shield skins gives your profile a more customized look. The process is simple, and there are only two main ways to get them. First, open Monopoly Go and tap the shield icon at the top of your screen. This is where you will see any shield skins you have unlocked. If you have none yet, do not worry. Shields are earned through events and rewards. The first way to unlock new shield skins is by playing the current in-game event. As you collect tokens, you progress through reward tiers. Some of these tiers include exclusive shield skins. Each event changes over time, so make sure you keep playing and check which rewards are available. The second way to earn shield skins is through your daily and weekly quick wins. Tap the wins button in the bottom left corner. Here you will see daily challenges you can complete in just a few minutes. Each challenge gives points toward your weekly progress bar. When the bar reaches certain milestones, you unlock rewards, and some weeks these rewards include limited shield skins. Make sure you log in every day and complete these tasks so you do not miss out. Shield skins are not always available, so taking part in every event and finishing weekly rewards gives you the best chance to collect them. That is how you get new shields in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching.